Replacing the door rubber on a Suzuki Swift 2005 RS415. First, we need to unscrew the bolts securing the door check. This will allow us to remove the old rubber seal more easily. Carefully loosen the bolts, and once they are out, gently pull the old rubber strip away from the door frame. Now that the old seal is removed, take a clean cloth or a soft brush and wipe down the entire door frame. Make sure to remove any dust, dirt, or adhesive residue left behind. This step is crucial to ensure the new rubber adheres properly and creates a tight seal. Take the new rubber strip and begin installation from the corner of the door frame. This will help align it properly. Press the rubber into place along the entire edge, making sure the clips lock securely into the holes. Work your way around the door, ensuring a snug and even fit. Start by unscrewing the door check bolts to loosen the door's movement. Then, gently pull out the old rubber seal. If the clips are too tight, you can use a plastic trim removal tool to pry them off carefully. Just like with the front door, always clean the surface before installing the new rubber. Wipe off any dust or debris to ensure a perfect fit. Begin by positioning the new rubber at the corners first, then work your way around the door frame. Press firmly to ensure all the clips lock into place. Once the rubber is securely attached, tighten the door check bolts back into place. Now, it's time to test the installation. Open and close the door a few times to ensure everything fits correctly. To check the tightness of the seal, take a piece of paper and place it between the door and the frame. If the rubber has not been replaced, the paper should slide out easily. If the new rubber is installed correctly, it should be much harder to pull the paper out, indicating a stronger, more secure seal. Start by loosening the door check bolts, then gently pull off the old rubber. If needed, use a trim removal tool to help detach the clips. Begin at one of the corners and work your way around the door frame. Make sure each clip snaps securely into place. Once the new rubber is properly installed, tighten the door check bolts back into place to secure the door's position. Open and close the door several times to ensure a smooth and secure fit. Gently pull out the old rubber seal if needed. Use a trim removal tool to help detach the clips. Always clean the surface before installing the new rubber. Wipe off any dust or debris to ensure a perfect fit. The replacement rubber comes with double-sided adhesive tape. Before installation, peel off the backing and carefully press the rubber into place, ensuring full coverage around the door frame. Press along the entire edge to make sure all clips are locked in place, giving the door a tight and even seal.